Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Olusoy Ahmed, and in this video I'll be showing you how to extract leads from Instagram and speak 1000 possible customers a day in an organic and automatic way every day and generate profit for your company today. What I'll be showing you a very powerful software that can be used to extract leads from Instagram, and also you can send mass message to those people that you have extracted, okay, and in that way you generate profit for your company today free of charge. The lifeline of every business is traffic and targeted buyer traffic. Now I'll be showing you some cool ways and a very proven and tested way that can generate profit for your company starting today once you implement this software. And you can extract potential leads from Instagram, from top influencers, and send messages to them, and also follow them up automatically. So what I'll be showing you is the software that does that. It will do the extraction, and also it will send messages in bulk to those people that you have extracted. This is awesome because we are doing a laser targeted, okay, buyers request. So without much delay, I'll just get started. Before that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video and you click on the bell notification so as to get notified once I drop new videos. I'm going to walk you through the software. So I'm going to click on the software. So you click on the software. So this is the software. It's an Instagram software, so you need to log in with your username and your password. Okay, your Instagram username and your password, you have to log in. So for me, I'll just log in. So I'm going to put my password. Sorry. Okay, click on login. Okay, good. Now you can see, let me see, this is the software. So you can see this is the software now. Now what you need to do is you want to find username of popular influencer that we want to deal with. Let me say I'll be picking a niche. Let me say you are into the beauty niche and you have series of beauty products you want to sell, and you know that an influencer that is in a beauty niche, the followers also will be interested in that niche, whatever the person has posted. Now let me say I'm into the beauty niche and I have millions of followers. It means invariably, it means those that followed me, so it means invariably they are also interested in that niche, that beauty niche. So I can send them messages as regards my offer or what I want to sell to them. Okay, without wasting much of our time, I'll just walk you through. Now you need to go to this website to find influencers in your various niche. In any niche, maybe you are in Nigeria, you are in India, you are in Pakistan, you are in Brazil, you are in USA, you are in France, you are in Togo, you are in Bangladesh. So different countries you have. So there is always an influencer in your niche. Now I'll just walk you through the process. You have to go to this website. So this website is called, so you just have to type influencer.co, okay, not .uk, influencer, that is it on the screen, influencer.co. And if you are in, so that's just remove the where is it? Let me show you. So just remove this influencer.co, okay, just remove this slash, okay, and just type your country. If you are in Nigeria, just type influencer.co Nigeria, okay, enter. So the first one is what you click on, okay, you click on this and it will bring out so can you see browse Nigeria influencers by city. So you have various cities influencer. Let me say you want influencers in Katsina, or you want influencers in Lagos. Let me say in Lagos. So can you see the first one is Ifeanyi Okafor Jr. So this guy has 2,900. This one is 553,000 followers. So this one is 222,000 followers. Now let me now give you one trick. Assuming I'm into the beauty niche, so what I'll do here is I'll just type beauty, okay, beauty. So I'll click on enter, and don't click any of this. Just go down, go down, go down. Click on category. Category as beauty, okay, beauty category. Okay, and once you choose beauty category, don't worry about this. It's bringing one person, don't worry about this. Now you choose location to be maybe Nigeria. So I want beauty influencers in Nigeria. Okay, now just don't touch any of this. Okay, don't touch any of this, just this and this. Just click on search. Now it's going to bring out no influencers match your search criteria. So I'm going to okay, let's see. Okay, let me just do it again. Beauty. So beauty, go to category, choose the first one, not the second one. Choose the first one, not the second one. Then choose your location, Nigeria. Sorry. So Nigeria, let's see. Click on search. So loading search, can you see? So you click on the first one, not the second one, okay? Now you can see this guy as Uche Jumbo Rodriguez, Nigeria. That is 4.5 billion. Let's click this. Uche Jumbo. So can you see this person is in the beauty niche. So can you see this person is in the beauty niche? Fantastic. If you have to go on Instagram, you might not find even this one. You might not find this exact person. But with the help of this site, so what you need to do is just copy the username. Can you see Uche Jumbo? Just copy the username here. Okay, copy the username and go to our software. Now see, this is our software now. So you paste the username Uche Jumbo, okay, and click on get follower list. So by this right hand side here, can you see the follower? So can you see this person, fashion, lifestyle, vibes, this crazy. So can you see? And don't worry, it might not extract all the username, but at least, so can you see it's still extract. That is for 796, 896. So can you see it's still extracting. So 896, 1000. So you can just leave this to extract almost all the followers, but it might be slow, but don't worry, it will extract. Let me just stop this for tutorial purposes. So I'll stop this one now. Now what I will need to do is, so you can see this now. These are some of the followers, about 1,500 followers in just 2 minutes. So okay, well, less than 2 minutes. So what you need to do is that you can even import this file or export this file. Okay, you can export this file. You can export this file as Uche Jumbo. So extract, save it. So because you can even this username, you can also get the users or the followers of these people. Now if you want to increase your followers, now you can do auto follow. Just click on auto. If you want to auto follow these people, just click on auto follow. Okay, sorry, I'm going to select all first. Click on auto follow. So can you see? You select all, click on auto follow. Then, so the time seconds is 5 seconds. So click on send follow. So you can see the status here. Done. So you can see Samuel Ugu. Done. So let me stop this. So you can auto follow them. So every 5 seconds it will follow and save just of this. Now we are done with this. We can export this file. So we can export it. Okay, now the next thing for us to do is, if you want, assume you have followed every user of this channel, also of this influencer, you can do stop following. If you see that they have followed you, you can decide to follow or stop the following. Okay, stop following them, or maybe you can choose to leave it. Now the next thing is for you to send message. Now you can also submit media. If you want to submit media, so you can submit media, link article, caption. So let me say, so article, so just put your link, maybe let me say HTTPS. So you can put your link article here. You can just say how to grow your hair naturally. Okay, so you can just click on share. So let's wait till, so you can just increase the timing. So you can just click the timing. So you can click on, look at this stop. Okay, sorry, stop. So you give it some time. So because we have another operation on here, so let's leave it and let's come back to this data. Let's click on send message. So you can send a message to these people. Let me say hello, good day. Okay, so hello, good day. So let me click on send. So if you can see this done, Samuel Ugu is after 5 seconds it will send to this person 5 seconds. So it will send to Chinyere Tony Chima. So it's done. So I'm going to go to my Instagram account and check whether these messages are sent or not. So if you want to increase your response, you can ask an engaging question like hello, good day. I am a beauty artist, I am a beauty professional. So do you want to learn how to maybe grow your hair naturally, or add some colorful, so all this stuff. So you can just come with an engaging words, okay, an engaging words, so that they can interact with you and you can sell your businesses to them. Okay, if you're in the software niche, you can also do that. Let me just stop this for now. Let me stop this and let me just stop this. So now let me go to my Instagram account and let's see this. Let me see my Instagram account. This is my Instagram account, and let me refresh this. So you can see, let me click on this. You can see the message I've sent. Can you see hello, good day? So can you see 35 seconds ago, 41 seconds ago? So can you see, so it has sent, and this Chima, can you see hello, good day? So can you see it has sent the messages to them. So once they reply, you can now begin to chat up. So you can just come up with your own idea. Okay, now if you are into maybe you are into digital marketing niche, okay, just click on just search digital marketing. So I can choose to search in another country, digital marketing. Always click the first one, not the second one, please. Click the first one here. Now location, maybe digital marketing, maybe I want to target maybe USA, okay, United States. So United States of America. So click on search. So let's see digital marketing. So maybe I want to promote softwares, affiliate marketing, or the stuff. So this one is digital marketing, lifestyle, modeling, fashion, digital marketing, digital media. So make a JD one. So you can just get any of these people. Okay, let me say I want to this branding digital. Okay, let me say affiliate marketing. Okay, let me do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing. Let me click on affiliate marketing. Search. So affiliate marketing. Click on the first one. Choose location. Maybe let me choose India. Click on search. So let's see if we have, okay, we have 3 people. Affiliate marketing, online entrepreneur. This one is affiliate marketing, real estate. So it means those that follow this guy are also into they also love affiliate marketing. So I can sell to them. Okay, I can sell to them, guys. This is very massive. Okay, just click on this, and in the same vein, your blog mentor, that is, copy this. So I'm going to go to my software. My software now. So clear this list. Okay, this one just replace it with the username. So can you see? So that is extracting the user. So this is 128 now. So it's still going. So 128, and this, let's see. So it might not extract everything, so just in case. So we have to give it time, because once it's finished extracting one, you can just give it time and extract another one. Okay, so just give it a little time to extract another one. So you can just stop this. Okay, you can stop this. So you can stop this. Now can you see what the warning? So if you have extracted ones, so you can just give like 5 minutes to extract another one. Okay, now you can also extract from link. Okay, let me say you get users comment. If you see a link that is trending, you can get users comment, you can capture by like, you can target friend list, and everything you can do with this software, guys. So the link to get the software is in the description below. Just contact the link or click on the link below so to get this software. And also you can also contact me privately to get this software, guys. So guys, this is how to use Instagram to send messages to users, okay, to sell your product completely free of charge. Okay guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, my name remains Olusoyin Ahmed. Please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below this video and click on the bell notification so that you get notified once I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will be very, very useful for you guys. So I want you to implement this and start promoting your product. Thank you guys. My name remains Olusoyin Ahmed.